Chargent's automated collections feature is the set and forget solution for reducing involuntary churn and keeping your customers in good standing, all directly from your Salesforce org. Setup is easy and is done with clicks, not code. Here's how it's done. To set up automated collections, I'll navigate to Chargent Settings, then click the Automated Collections tab. From here, I'll click the New button and choose Automatic Retries and Emails. From here, I'll give my AC process a name, then select the email address from which the automated emails will be sent. I then select the payment request page I've created for this process, and finally, I'll choose an option from the criteria pick list. Since I don't want this process to apply to every declined payment in my org, I'll choose rule-based from this list. That allows me to set this process to apply only to specific customers. From here, I can define what happens at each stage and determine when those stages activate. For stage 1, I'll choose immediately from the time frame pick list, and I'll select an email template from the send email pick list. This means that this stage will immediately send an email with a payment link to my customers when a payment link is declined. I'll click the Add button below to start working on the second stage. I'd like the second stage to activate 2 days after the first, so I'll select the number of days after option and type 2 into the time frame detail field below. I'll select Yes from the Retry Payment pick list, and I'll select No email since I just sent one in the previous stage. This means that stage 2 will simply retry the payment collection a couple of days after stage 1. This happens only if the payment wasn't already collected. I'll click the Add button again to define my third stage. I have a lot of flexibility in terms of time frame options, including specific days of the week or month. I can also opt to change the sender email address on a per stage basis, or CC an internal email address if someone else on my team needs to be aware of this missed payment. I can add as many stages as I want, and I'll click the Save button when I'm done. And that's it. In just a couple of minutes, I've automated a collections process. I can spend my time working on other initiatives instead of chasing down missed payments manually. I can also track the performance of automated collections with the included dashboard. This dashboard shows me the success rate of each AC process, how much money they're collecting, and even shows me the performance of individual stages of those processes. Ready to free up your staff time by automating collections in your Salesforce org? Reach out to us today to get started.